Okay, so there's a new lip syncing AI tool called Lemonslice. I just ran a test with it and recorded a whole video with it, but I screwed up the audio, so I got to do it again. So this is my second attempt at using this tool, and I will pretend I didn't already go through this experience. So I will hold off on my opinion until the very end of this video. So let's get right into it. Da da dee da da da. This is Lemonslice. Let me check my OBS. I really do need a second monitor. I keep screwing this stuff up. You upload an image, you upload your audio. You can also do a script. So for right now, I'm going to test because I'm going to compare apples to apples. I'm going to compare this video generated by Lemonslice with one of my own things using my other tools, which is I don't even think I'm going to share what I use anymore, unless you guys are nice to me. I'm going to upload an image, and I'm going to use my AI avatar default person, who is Serene. There she is. And I'm going to upload some audio. This is the second time I upload this audio, because the first time I uploaded 24 seconds, considering I read over here where it says 1 second equals 1 credit. I had 60 credits. I generated one video. I had 60 credits, so I figured, okay, that's going to be 25 credits because it was a 25-second video. No, you have to upgrade if you want to do, I guess, above who knows how many seconds. I don't know. I'm not going to find out either. I uploaded a 5-second video. You can hear it here.
Hey guys, want to go to a Hollywood movie for...
So we're going to see if we can marry this audio with this image. And I'm going to select animate entire image because I want some body motion. I recorded this video and I'm going to show you using my other tools, and it's just her head and face moving. So this is going to give me the entire image, which means her body's going to move, which should be pretty cool. So let's check it out. Now I'm going to pretend I didn't do this earlier before. Yeah, I did this before. But yeah, you can see it right here. I'll show you both. We can compare this version to this version to my own using my other tools. While this is rendering, actually, I will show you the one that I did, and I have to go to Instagram for that. So give me a second.
Want to go to a Hollywood movie premiere for free? Teens Want to Know has got you covered. We're partnering with EMR Media to give away tickets to the world.
All right, so you can see there, she did not move her body. So she moved her head, whatever, but it's pretty good. You can't say that that's not pretty good. So I'm going to show you what Lemonslice did the first time, and then hopefully this one will finish rendering, and we can compare the two iterations. So let me go down to downloads. All right, let's look at the Lemonslice version.
Hey guys, want to go to a Hollywood movie premiere for free? Teens Want to Know has got you covered. We're partnering with EMR Media to give away tickets to the world premiere of Off the...
Okay, so it gave me 10 seconds on that one. Whatever. So her eyes bugged out way too much, right? Didn't like that. I did like the body motion. So I think my version, the way I do it, is superior as far as the face. This looks good for the body, but you can't. That Lemonslice does not sell the reality of the AI avatar as much as my workflow. So I'm going to say that's a flunk on this one, and let's see what this second attempt looks like. I'll be right back. All right, our second one has rendered. So what I'm going to do is download it, and then I'll put it in my browser. That way you can see it. We're going to see this for the first time together. Let's see.
Hey guys, want to go to a Hollywood movie premiere for free? Teens 1L has got you covered.
Okay, that's way better.
Hey guys, want to go to a Hollywood movie premiere for free? Teens 1L has got you covered.
Okay, way better. Mine is still more realistic.
Hey guys, want to go to a Hollywood movie premiere for free? Teens 1L has got you covered.
You can see your eyeballs all weird there. But let's see. One more time.
Hey guys, want to go to a Hollywood movie premiere for free? Teens 1L.
See, the light in the back moved magically in front of her hair there, and her face is a little bit distorted. So I'm still winning. I'm sorry, I'm way better. I'm better. It's just the way it is. Where's mine? I gotta show you mine again.
Go to a Hollywood movie premiere for free? Teens 1L has got you covered. We're partnering with EMR Media to give away tickets to the world.
Yeah, mine's just better. So yay me, boo to Lemonslice. So I'm not even gonna mess with the rest of it. They do. I don't know what this is. AI music. Oh, she can sing. Well, let's try this. Let's see if she can sing a song about eating tomato sandwiches. Generate the song. Let's see this. This is gonna be crazy. Oh my God, what's gonna happen? God, this takes forever. Blah 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 blah. My God. So stupid. All right, generate video. I gotta see this girl sing. Oh, you son of a. Your audio is longer than your maximum live video duration will be truncated. Please upgrade your plans to access longer videos. Ugh. I am paying for this. Get the pricing. $8 a month for 20 minutes. I get this for free, man. I do this for free. And better. So now I gotta wait 4 hours for this to generate. So I'll be right back. Still. Oh, good. It's done. I will download and drag it to my browser. Hello. Drag it to my browser. Let's watch it again. All right, what's awesome is I should run more tests, but I'm not gonna. I just want to make a quick video. The body movement is cool, but the face is all janked up. Let me show you kind of the stuff that I do. You know, check this out.
You thought you could break me. You thought your words would make me feel small. But all you did was wake me up.
All right, so those are just some examples. As you can see, I'm trying to go for ultra realism, right? I'm trying to go for authenticity, like very few distortions. Yes, if you pick these videos apart that I just showed you, some of my work, there's glitches, of course. Um, I'm not 100% there yet with my generations, but they're better than what I just saw with lemon jelly, lemon slice, whatever the hell it's called. So what's the overall thing? It's got potential. I think if you're not going for hyper realism, if you're going for stylized characters or more of a cartoony effect, lemon slice could be good. If you're doing the kind of stuff that I'm doing, it's not there yet. It's just not. Maybe if I mess around with it a little bit more, but the pricing kind of turns me off. And really, if I'm doing with open source tools, um, or very cheap, like replicate.com, I use a lot. So I'm paying like per use for pennies each generation. I don't see, for me personally, the need to subscribe to really anything. I don't subscribe to any AI thing besides uh, Google's $20 a month thing just for the storage. And I think Notebook LM is pretty awesome. So I like the ability to put more sources than on the free tier. But other than that, I'm using open source, man. I'm using stuff for free. And I think none of these people have a moat. I'm seeing a lot of programs that are being created, these AI businesses, which are they're one trick ponies. They do like one little thing that like, oh, pay us $9 a month for this magic AI background remover. I'm like, who's paying for this crap if you can do that for free with like a million other tools? So there's like a glut of stuff which are kind of meh. A lemon slice to me right now falls into that category, but if you like it, you like it. I don't like it, at least not in this current iteration. So yeah, that's my review. What the hell were those balloons that just came out? How did I do that? Hello, more balloons, please. Where'd they come from? What just happened?